Hello everyone, welcome to Austin Origami TV. My name is Austin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this variation of this transforming ninja star that I taught in my last video. So if you want to learn this one, click right here for that video. But in this video, as promised, I'm going to show you how to make this variation. And this is also pretty easy to make, but a little bit harder to fold. But this one looks a lot cooler. So pretty much all I did was I outside reverse folded these 4 flaps. But I'm gonna show you how to fold this right now. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to fold this model you need 4 sheets of paper, and I'm gonna use 6 by 6 inch squares of Kami origami paper. And I'm gonna use 2 blue and 2 green. In my opinion, I think it looks better with only 2 colors. But you can certainly fold it out of 1 color or a bunch of different colors if you want, but I prefer 2 colors. So before we start, I'm going to show you a nifty little hack to save your origami paper if you're making a modular model like this. So if you've seen my last video, you might have already saw this, but if you want to skip ahead, just skip ahead to this part right here. But I'm going to show you a nifty little way of saving your origami paper. So just take a big square, this is a 10 by 10 inch square, and fold it in half both ways. Get rid of that. There we go. Increase this really sharp. Okay, and let's reverse the creases. Okay, and now I'm going to tear them off. You could use scissors, but I'm going to tear it. So make a small tear on the top, place it on a flat surface, and just separate your hands. And the same here too. And there you go, there's your 4 squares. And what's nice about this is that you have 2 colors, so you can make 2 white ones and 2 colored ones. But since I did this method in my last video, I'm just going to use 4 full-size 6 by 6 inch squares. Okay, so I'm going to make a blue one first. So we're going to begin with the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half diagonally. Okay, now rotate, and now we're going to fold in half this way. So we're taking this corner and folding it to this corner. Okay, it actually starts the same exact way as the other one. Alright, rotate. And now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. And make sure it comes to a nice point right there. Increase that sharply. Turn it over. And now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, now we're going to open here like this, and now we're going to take these 2 corners and fold them to there. And try and hold these down against the table so the layers underneath don't kind of slide. Oh, actually, before we do this, well, might as well just make this fold first. I forgot to make 1 fold. Okay, let's unfold these, and this is what we should have done before we did this step. So, take this corner, and we're going to fold it to that corner right there, or that point. There we go. And now you can refold those. Alright, and now fold the model in half. Okay, now make sure it's oriented like this, and now take this edge and fold it to that little crease right there. There should be a crease there. Okay, it's easiest to do it on a surface than in the air. And make that really sharp. Unfold, and now comes the outside reverse fold. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it like this, and these 2 creases here are going to be mountain folds. So like this, and also that crease too. and then just bring everything together. And look at that, there's one unit. Alright, now you want to make 3 more, and I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, and once you got all the units done, now ready to put them together. So this isn't that hard. So I'm going to put a blue one inside of a green. And ignore those 2 creases I did right there. I just made a little mistake, that's all. I put it in the wrong way. And what you want to do is you want to take these 2 flaps, and you want to just wrap them around this part here. Like this. Okay, see, this is what it looks like. And then just fold the 2 flaps inside. And I already made the 2 creases, so that's good. When I made the mistake. Alright, and there's the action. Well, this is the action here. And don't slide it out too much yet, because it'll probably get stuck. That's what it is right there. Alright. And next one. So this blue one is going to go around this green one. Like that. And then fold the flaps inside. Make sure that the edge is parallel. Yeah, when I was trying to put those first 2 units together, I realized I did it the wrong way. And I was like, okay, I'm like so confused here. So I had to kind of unfold one of this model to see what I did. And yeah. Okay, that's what it looks like. And yep, it slides. And last one. So just move this one over like this, and then you can put that one in like that. Okay, and then fold the 2 flaps inside. Make sure it really wraps tightly over the edge too, as much as you can. Okay, and now this one here, just open this up and stick this inside like that. Alright, and now you can fold the 2 flaps inside. Okay, and now just crease everything sharply. And we are done. So there it is. See how well it transforms? Oh yeah. It's best to just kind of exercise a little bit just to get it like this. So yeah, I love the way this one looks. I think this one looks a lot cooler than this model does. But I like that other one too. And the cool thing about using 2 colors for both of these models is that it makes this nice little 4x4 checkerboard in the center of it. So yeah, I really love that. But yeah. Oh, and I do want to say this model does not fly. But that would have been cool if it did. This is just more like just a transforming model. But yeah. So, there you have it. And again, if you want to learn how to fold this star, I put a card up here in the upper right-hand corner, and the link is also in the description. Alright, well, I hope you guys like this Origami Ninja Star, and were able to follow this video. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Next week, it'll be a heart model, because Valentine's Day is coming up. Alright, subscribe. Oh, before I end the video, I want to show you this variation that I just came up with. Check it out. It's pretty cool looking, isn't it? And this is what it looks like. So yeah, so if you guys want me to make a video on how to fold this, let me know in the comments below. And if I get a lot of requests asking me to make a tutorial of it, I will certainly do. Alright, subscribe.